Hi everyone, it's Heidi with WTI. I feel like I constantly reach for these Saucony multi-pack athletic socks. They are so comfortable and they fit me so well. I'm a size 8.5 or 9 and I got the size medium. And the set includes 8 pairs. The heel tab is nice and thick and cushiony, and the band of stitching gives excellent arch support. The extra cushion at the heel and the toe also add not only to the comfort, but also the durability of the socks. And I really love the range of colors too. Some of them are white, some are gray, and others are black. I truly enjoy wearing these Saucony athletic socks. They are so comfortable, and I love that I can reach for them to wear to the gym or just every day. And that's my point of view.